Right. So, good morning, guys. Welcome to Narayana Tech House. So, guys, in the in the current project, that is calculator project. Okay. So, we have done almost all presentation part, guys. Okay. So, this is what we have done in our previous video, right? On presentation part over. Now, what we do for this one, we'll add the functionality, guys. Functionality means I'm giving two numbers. If I click the plus, I want to display result 15. If I click the minus, I want to display result 5. Like that, I want to display those results here. At the same time, for every operation that I want to store here as a history. Like that, I want to store the latest or the last 5 operations. Okay, and next here clear button is there. When I click the clear button, then I want to set these two as empty, means I want to remove the values from these input boxes. And also, if I click on the dark mode, then I want this card should be dark. At the same time, entire this background also should be dark. Everything should be dark. That's called dark mode. When it becomes dark mode, then at the time display what here? Light mode. Again click the light mode here, becomes all again light mode, guys. Okay, right, that's what we will do now. So for this all, now we will start scripting, guys. Okay, we'll start the scripting here. This is what is done in the previous session. Right, now I'm going to start scripting. For that we use a script tag. Which tag? Script tag. In the script tag, guys, I'm going to take a few I'll take two variables, guys. Initially I will take two variables here. Observe now. I'll take one variable, something history variable. Why? To store all the history which is in the list format. To take the variables here, just we use I am going to use a variable called let variable, right? And also about this theme, guys, about the theme, I will take one more variable. Let dark mode is the false, means by default dark mode is not there, guys, right? By default what is there here? Light mode is there, right? You can observe now, by default which mode is there? Light mode is there, not the dark mode. So by default I am taking dark mode is what? Null. At the same time, as I told in the previous video, okay, we'll take the just one function. In that function I will call these all operators one by one, guys. One by one operator execute the function. For that I am taking one more. Let suppose last operator I'll take as an operator. Initially I am taking the null. I am taking initially null, guys. Okay, null. Right. Now, so here what we do now? I am going to start which one? One by one functionalities, guys. One by one functionality, like whatever required for that dark theme and this mainly for this functionalities, guys, like fetching the two numbers from this input boxes, all of you, fetching two numbers from input boxes. Okay, and on that one we should apply that add sub mul, like that we have to apply, guys. Okay, for that I take the one function called here what function name behind this all, I given the name which one? Set operation, right? Set operation of the symbol. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to implement one function. Implement a function. What is function name? Set operation of, will take operator, guys. Will take what here? Operator, all of, right? Okay, so that means when I click this first plus symbol, when I click the plus symbol, then it will call with the plus operator. So that what is the operator now? Plus. What is the operator here? Plus. Okay, or when I click on this minus symbol, right? That means I am clicking on this one. That means internally what is calling here, set operation is calling. In that what is operator here, minus is the operator. Okay, at that what is the operator? Operator is a minus, guys. That is operator. Okay, operator. Now, so that operator assigned to one variable called last operator, guys. I take it to a new variable. All of what is that name? I'm taking to last operator, and then I'm calling the function, guys. I'm calling the function. That function is what I'm calling a new function called calculate of this operator. This operator, guys, all of you. Now I'm going to implement that new method here. Which one? Calculate function. Calculate of. Okay, what's coming here? The same operator coming, guys. Our symbol is coming, right? Our symbol is coming, and here what we do, we'll take the two numbers from two input boxes, guys. All of you. We'll take two numbers from those two input boxes. Means what are the input boxes here? See, this is the one input box which is having ID number num1. Okay, and this is the another input box which is ID num2. Okay, num2, guys. Means we identify this input box by using ID num1. We identify this input box by using ID num2, like this. Okay, now just observe here. Now what do we do now? I'm taking here document to dot get element by ID of which one? Num1 means so here what is happening? It is identifying what this input box, right? From that what I want to get now, I want to get the number, that value, right? So for that we use what? We use value. Okay, value, guys, and this all value take into number format, number of, like this, and then that number assigned to what? Some variable called n1 variable. The same thing we'll do now for that second value also, guys. Okay, again what we do, document dot get element by ID of identify which one? Num2. For that I want to get the value. This value we take into number format here. Okay, and then assign to what now? Assign to a n2 variable, guys. Which variable? N2 variable. Right, now we have two numbers, guys. Two numbers are there. At the same time our operator is there. Which operator? The operator that is based on your click set operation of operator. Okay, if I click the plus, then plus will be there here. If I click on multiplication symbol, into, then into is there here. Okay, now I'm going to check it here by using what? Switch off. Okay, switch off. Which one? Operator. Switch off operator. Now we'll check it now one by one. Is it plus, minus, like this, right? So switch case, guys. Case if it is plus, then we'll take what now? N1 plus N2. Assign to what? Assign to result, guys. Assign to what? Result, and then we need to break it. Next, second case, guys. Here case if it is minus, then n1 minus n2, right? Assign to what again? Assign to result, and then we need to break it. Break it, guys. All of you should take this like this. Right. Next one, what is the case here? Case, the symbol is a multiplication symbol. Then n1 into n2, assign to what now? Assign to result, okay, assign to result, then we'll take it to what, break. Then case, now case division guys, okay, case is what, in case of division, in case of division, okay, and division like this. Then again n1, but guys here see the n2 should not be 0 guys, right? The n2, the second number should not be 0, second number should not be 0. So here what do I do now? I'll give one condition guys here. What's condition? If okay, all of you see, if n2 is not 0, then perform which one, n1 by n2 guys. When I want to perform this one, if n2 is not 0, if n2 is 0, I want to display message, right? So I give the condition here, n2 is not equal to 0, 0. This is the like if condition guys. Now we use this symbol. If n2 is not 0, then true block, execute this one, else means if n2 is 0, then what I want to display? I want to display cannot divide, cannot divide, okay, divide by 0. That's all. All of observe here is like if else condition guys here, okay, if else. So how it executes here? Observe now. How it executes here? It is equal to what? Like suppose if n2 not equal to 0, then print what now? n1 execute n1 by n2 guys. n1 by n2. Else display what? Display cannot divide by 0, something like this, right? So now if n2 not equal to 0, then see here this means what, like if condition guys, a condition, then execute what now? Execute the following block. What is following block? This one guys, this is the following block. It means else, else execute what? Else block. This is the else block like this. But finally the output should be either this one or this one guys, right? If it is 0, n2 is 0, then okay, which one it executes? N2 is not 0, some other number, then it executes guys. But finally, so the output may be some value, or output may be some, this is string, maybe this string guys, all of you. Output may be some number or some value. If n2 is not 0, if n2 is 0, output will be some string value guys, some string value. Okay, so now, so either value or string, whatever it is, assigned to what now? Assigned to same like previously, result equal to like this, result equal to, okay. So now we'll take what here? We'll take what now? Result equal to, okay. And then we're going to break it guys, we're going to break it, all of you. The same thing we'll see for the next one also guys. What next one here, all of you? That modulus also we want to do same thing guys. For next modulus also, case if it is modulus operator guys, if it is modulus operator, same again. If n2 not equal to 0, then perform which one? Perform which one here? n1 modulus n2. Else then display what here? Display which one? Cannot modulus by 0, cannot modulus by 0, assign to what again? Assign to result, guys. And then we should take a break. We should take the break, right? Right. Then the last, we take the default one, guys. What is the default one? The default result will be like I want display invalid operation, guys, and it is assigned to what? Assigned to result equal to guys. Okay. That's all. This is what now. This is what the switch case. And see, it can be result anyone, guys. Result can be addition result or subtraction result or anyone result will be there. Now this result, what I want to do now, that result I want to replace where? I want to replace here, guys. This span tag should replace by which one? This result, right? This result, guys. That's why now this span tag can identify by which one? By ID result, right? ID result, guys. So now, so what do I do here? Once this all over, I will take document dot get element by ID of, what is that ID given there? Result, right? Result. There I want to take inner HTML. Which one assign there? Result, guys. Which one? This result I want to replace there. This result, either this result or this one, any one result will come here. The result I want to replace wherever ID result is there. Wherever ID result is there. Yes, this tag will replace by maybe 15. If I give 10 and 5 and I click the plus symbol, then 15 will come here. 15 will come. So like this. Right, this is what, guys, now about working on these 5 buttons, right? 5 buttons, guys. Now, how to save this one to history? Save to the history, guys, all of you. Next, let's talk about which one? Saving to history. History saving, guys. This is the ending of which one? Script tag. This calculate function. Okay, now let us go here. Sorry. Now what I want to do here, all of you, I want save result to which one? To history, guys. Okay, to the history. I want to save result to history, but result we should save here a valid result, guys. I don't want to save cannot divide by 0, cannot divide by cannot modulus by 0. These things I don't want to save, guys. All of you, I want to save the valid result only. That's why if the result is valid, result is what? Valid, guys. Okay, right. See, the result should be a number first of all, guys. I'll keep 3 conditions here. First one, result should be a number. Result. Second, should not be a cannot divide by 0 this message. The result should not be this message. All of right. Result should be a 0 and should be a number. Result cannot be this message. Cannot be this message. We keep these 3 conditions here, right? Okay. How? Let's observe here. So see, to check whether result is a number or not, we have one function called is NaN. Is not a number. NaN means not a number. Is not a number. But I want which one? Number, right? That's why I'm taking which one? Not symbol, guys. Means it should be a number now. It should be a number. If you don't have this not symbol, this means what? It's not a number. Not a number. I want a number. Then we take what here? We take the symbol. Then if it is a number, it is a number. It is a number, and okay, and again the result should not equal to which one? Not equal to which one, guys? Here, not equal to this message. Again, and the result okay, should not equal to what here? Okay, this symbol, guys, right? Okay, we should take a double equal to for this comparison, article comparison. Okay, in this case, what I want to do now, all of you, these are like keep the one if condition, guys. These are like keep one if condition, if and dissolve up to end up to dissolve, then give the block, guys, all of you. So if the out this all, see if it is a number, all of you, okay, it is a number, at the same time it's not a message. At that time, how I want to save in the result pane? See now, I want to save like this, right? Suppose I am giving the first number 10, I am giving second number 5. I click the plus operator. There in this tree, history means below, like some empty space, right? History is there. Then how I want display? I want display number one, n1, right? 10 is into n1, guys. Previously, n1, okay. And what is the operator? 5. Sir, plus what is n2? N2 is 5. N2 is 5 equal to then result, guys. Okay, all of right. So previously this assigned to what? N1, previously the above, and this assigned to what? Assigned to N2, right? Okay, N2. This assigned to what? Operator, right? Operator, guys, and result is there with which variable here? Result variable. Result is there in the result variable, guys. Result variable. I'm clicking the plus, then plus result variable, right? So now means N1, okay, N1 operator, operator, then N2, and again equal operator here, then result. Syntax we should write like this, guys. Syntax we should write like this, so that automatically whatever the numbers you give, that numbers replace N1, N2, and whatever operator you click, that replace here. Okay, and as for your operator, the result will come, the result will replace here. So we should give this type of syntax there. How to give the syntax there? Now observe here, guys. Now what we do here? Okay, as a string, we take the symbol for placeholder, guys. For placeholder, this is for n1. Okay, again after n1 what required there? Operator. Again which one here? N2. Then we take the equal to, and then what here? And then result. This all assigned to a variable called I'll take variable is called entry variable, guys. Which variable? Entry variable like this, all of you. Okay, and then what I want to do now, this entry I want to add to which one? Add to this history variable, guys. This is what list format is there. List format, right? So guys, observe here. See how I want to add. See, this is the first entry, guys, right? This is the first entry, means first operation. This is what first operation. Now how I want to add in that history variable means right. Now just observe here. See, this is initially empty list, guys. Initially empty list. Okay. Now first entry I want to add here, like which one I want to add, suppose 10 plus 5 equal to 15 over, first entry over, right? Next, if you perform any other entry, any other operation, then that I want, so already what is there now, already what is there, 10 plus 5 equal to 15 is there, right? Okay, it is there already, guys. It's some suppose like this, it is there. Now the second entry I want to add in the beginning, not in the ending, right? Okay, second entry I am giving 10 minus 5 equal to 5, guys. Then that I want to add where, I want to add here, this is what second operation, guys. Okay, 10 minus 5 equal to what, equal to 5. This is what second entry, right? Now suppose in a third entry is there, already two entries are there, right? Already two entries are there. The third entry I want to add in the beginning, suppose 10 into, okay, into 5 equal to what, 50, like this. Three entries, guys. Then fourth entry, what I want to do here, again add in the beginning. See, every time adding the beginning, guys. To add in the beginning, in JavaScript we use unshift function. Which function? Unshift, guys, unshift function. In case of Python, we have append function to add at the end. At the end to add an append function is there, but here in JavaScript we use unshift function. Next, suppose I am doing 10 by 5 equal to how much, guys? Generally here, it is 2 na. It is 2, guys, like this. Then this is what here 4 entries added. Now fifth entry I am adding here. Observe, guys, now fifth entry I am adding. In fifth entry I am taking the two different numbers. I am taking the numbers. Suppose I am taking now 120. I am trying plus suppose 10 equal to how much now, 130. Now 5 entries over, right? 5 entries over. Now I am doing the sixth entry, guys. For example, now observe, guys, this logic. I am doing sixth entry. Now I don't want to allow sixth entry. I want to take only 5 entries only, guys. I want to allow 5 entries only. But I am doing the sixth entry also, sixth function also, sixth operation also. So sixth operation is something 1 plus 2 equal to how much now? I am trying 1 plus 2 equal to how much now? 3, right? 3. When I add the sixth one means when I unshift the sixth one, then I want to pop up the first one. I want to remove the first one. That's all. All of you, right? Once the list has 5, entries. All of observe here. Once the list has 5 entries, after fifth entry, if anything is unshifting here, unshifting means adding here, then pop from here, guys. Pop from here. So to add here, which function we use? We use a function called unshift function. Unshift function to add unshift of entry. Unshift of entry. Okay, entry, guys. That entry I am adding here. And once the length is 5, when the length becomes more than 5, then I am going to do which one? Do the pop, guys. Pop means what? Remove the last one from this history list. Remove the last from the history list. This is what I want to do. Right? Okay. So for that one, now what we do here? Right. That history I am going to unshift of which one of the entry, guys. This entry is adding. All of you. Now finally after adding all, once the length become more than 5, the length becomes this is up to which one, guys? This is up to 5, right? 5. It becomes more than 5, right? If that history length greater than 5 means more than 5, guys. If it is more than 5, then what I want to know from history? I want to pop. Pop means what? Remove the last one. Guys. Remove the last one. All of you. Remove what? Last one. That's all. All of you, guys. Right. So like that, what is happening here? The history will create, guys. History will create with 5 entries. Maximum last 5 operations. Maximum last 5 operations, guys. 5 operations. Okay. Next, so I'm going to jump to another function, guys. What is that means? I'm taking here update history like this. Just I'm jumping to another function, guys. Another function. That function I'm going to add here. I'm going to write here, implement here function. Which one? Update history. All of you. Update history. What does it do here? See now what is happening here? History creating over, guys, right? History creating over. Now, so what I want here? I want get the data from the history. Then I want display on the browser, right? Browser, guys. Which format? One by one, some list item format. Okay, we should take internally some LA tag, UA tag. Okay, then there I want to replace it, guys. Okay, replace it. So already above we have taken some history panel, guys, right? Already have taken the UL tag, LA tag, right? Okay. Now this UL tag we identify by which one? History list, guys, right? Which one? By history list. Okay, history list, guys. Now just observe now what I am going to do. This history list. So first, what do we do now, guys? I am going to identify this entire panel. This panel, okay, mainly this UL. By which one? By using a history list, guys. By using history list. Now here, what I am going to do now, guys, observe here. So we'll take document dot get element by ID of which one? Of history list, guys. History list. That one assigned one variable called again same name. Which name? History list, guys. All of you means that tag I'm identifying. This history tag, okay, this one, guys, I'm identifying and assign to what again? Assign to one more variable called history list variable, guys. History list variable. Initially in this history list, what is there? Empty, guys, right? Initially empty, okay, empty is there. So now observe here. History list dot inner HTML. What is initially? Empty, right? Empty is there, guys. Okay, empty is there. Now, what I want to do now, from this history, I want to get one by one and display in a list item format, guys. List item format means you have observed here UL tag, in that LI tag. This also identify. This also we have to see initially what displayed, guys, in this list item tag. No calculations has to display, right? Now this one I want replaced by which one? Our entries from the history, guys. Okay, history. For that, now what I am doing here from history, I am giving one function called for each, guys. For each I am giving here, right? So what is the meaning of for each here? Means I want to go through each one by one, guys, right? Take first entry, then arrange here. So see, this is what finally our history, guys. Take this one and display like this. Guys. Okay. Next, take this one and display like this. Next, take third one and display. Right, like this, one by one, right? Okay, one by one, guys. Take fourth one and again display. Take fifth one, display like this. If you observe now, the last performed operation coming in the top, all of you. And these are the previous operations, guys, all previous operations. But latest one, which one coming displaying on the top, right? So for that we use what here? History. Okay, for each. Then item, we're taking an object called item object guys here, but this much heavy syntax not required. We'll take like this, then item, all of it, right? Okay, item. This is what here arrow operator guys, to go through one by one, and yes, I will take here. Now guys, observe here. Now what do I do here? First of all, okay, I am creating one li element guys here. I am creating what? One li element. Already we identified which one. History list means where is the history list guys here. History list is there for the UL tag, right? UL tag guys. In that first li already having some content, right? Some content is default one, right? Now I am going to create a new li tag guys. A new li tag here. We create a new li tag. How to create new li tag? Now observe here. I am taking now documented data. Create element. What element you want to create? I want to create li element, and assign one variable called again. Let li variable guys. Which variable? Li variable guys. Okay, all of you. Now see here in li what is there here? List group item, right? List group item. Now the same I want to give the class. In this li I want to give the class. That's why. So in that list variable, right? Variable li variable guys. I am taking the one class name. What class name we want to give there? I want to give the class name list group item, guys, all of you, list group item. So here what is happening here? Just li tag is creating guys like this. Li tag is creating like this, all of you, in the above line. In the second line, what is happening here? In this line, what is happening? In the same li tag, now the class is adding. What is the class name is adding? List group item. Like this class name is adding guys. Adding. Again, this is what li tag like this. All of you. See this li tag. This all we are creating by JavaScript guys. Actually, this is part of which one? HTML, right? Li, ul, all, but we are trying here by using our JavaScript. Now next, what I want to add here? I want to add the item. So first item. The first item I want to add. Like what's first item here? 1 plus 2 equal to what? To 3. That I want to add here, guys. Okay. So for that, what do I do now? li dot text content equal to what I want to assign the item. Means what text you want to get here? I want to get the item, guys. So we take what? We'll take the item. All of you. Are you clear now? Right? So yes. Now after item is adding there, item is adding here, then we'll take that history list variable, guys. We'll take history list variable. Okay. Then append child of which one? Child of that li, guys. All of you. Like that. What is happening here? So next li will add here. 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 Like that. One by one append will add to which one? History list, guys. History list means what? Initially this is the which one? UL tag we identify, guys, right? Identify the UL tag assigned to here. Now for that UL one by one adding. One by one. How many will you add? Because in this how many items are there in the list? 5 items are there, right? Okay. So it adds up to 5 times, guys, like this. Append. Append means what? Add at the end. So it adding at the end, guys. Here adding next, here adding like that, adding down one by one. Okay. Right. So it is about this history part, guys. History part. all of you. Next, what is remaining here? What is remaining, guys? Clear, right? Clear remaining. But till now, let us execute, guys. Let's see now. I am giving the number 10. I am giving 5. 5 plus. You can observe now, guys. What came here? 15 came. If I do the minus, what came here? 5 came. Right? Okay. But what is happening here? This history part, guys, history part, still data not saving in history, data not saving in the history, guys. Okay, that means we have to check that history. Initially it is displaying fine, guys, but when I do the operation, okay, some operation here, and I click plus, it is disappearing, guys, right? This no calculation set, that is disappearing, you can see now. Instead of displaying this 10 plus 5 equal 15, that is disappearing, right? Guys, observe now, anywhere any mistake is there, like any semicolon missed. I think here it is missed, guys, one thing. And create element capital C, capital E correct only. Here also it is missed. It's working, guys, but that history not coming, right? Okay. Everything is fine, list group is taken, and ID is the same name only, history list ID. Here check once, guys, result not number and result not equal to this message. No, right? think guys, and for each it is capital E, I think, for each. And item, so item is you can take any variable name guys, whatever you take that will be here, that is okay. I think let me try now. Right, next yes, as you can observe now guys, first I have done 10 plus 5 that came. Next what I am, which one, 10 minus 5, right? Now I change the values guys. I am taking now 100, I am taking something some 90 guys, okay, 90. I am going to do multiplication for example, that will be third one, right? It comes on the top guys, can you observe now? Again on the same those two I apply this modulus. Oh, can you observe now guys how much coming here? But what I want to do here, I don't want this much numbers guys. I just want just 2 digit only, right? Not that much lengthy. I just take the 2 digit guys, 2 digit only, 2 digits only, not that much lengthy one, all of you. Okay, for that also you can try guys, okay. But first of all guys, it is working, right? Now what I want now, when I perform this operation, which operation, let's go in this operation, right? What I want now, I don't want to display dot 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 like this, simply so if not 0, n2 is not 0, perform this operation, and there I will take 2 fixed, how many, I just wanted 2 digits guys, only 2 digits only, dot 1 1, dot 1 2, that's all, not more than that one guys, not more than that one. Let us try again. I am going to here still the clear is not implemented guys, okay. I just refresh once, I take the same something 1000, okay, and then 119, okay, and perform this one. Yes, can observe now, only 1 1 came, 1.11, okay, alright. But guys, finally everything is working, and 2 things are pending guys. What are the 2 things pending? The 2 things pending are, which one? First clear guys, clear is pending, and then what next one? Dark theme guys, okay. The dark theme is pending, clear and the dark theme, right? These 2 are pending. So these 2 guys we'll see in the next video, all of you. The clear functionality plus the dark theme functionality, those 2 will train the next guys. See now 2 things over, 3 things over, 4, 5, right? Now 5 over guys, now 5 over. If I do any 6th operation, then this first one will pop up guys. Suppose I am going to do some operation as the 6th one, then it will remove now, it will pop up. Let's observe now, I click here, you can observe now that is not there. Which one? 100 by 90 equal to 1.11, not there. If I do again some operation, this operation now, this will remove guys, you can observe there, that will pop up now. I am doing all this one only, you can see now, all of you can observe now, right? Okay, only the last 5 operations are there, the last 5 operations guys remaining, and that previous all they are which one? Automatically deleting, because of which function? Pop function guys, okay, right. So guys, next video will complete the 2 remaining functionalities, clear plus dark theme, okay, dark mode guys. Thanks so much all of you. Please watch our videos and subscribe to our channel Narayana Tech House. Thank you guys, bye.